So I want to use my hair, this hair. God give me strength. Because it's already due. It's not even due, but I'm tired. See, all my front hair has vanished, so I want to lose it at home, because if I go to the salon, I may sit longer then start making hair again. I'm going to be very, very stressed up. So I prefer to just do my thing at home, because salon people say they'll just be dragging your hair up and down. They wouldn't take time to like pamper it and all that. So I prefer to lose my hair myself. So that's what I'm just doing right now. Once I'm done, I'm going to head to the salon to wash it and then make the hair. I've not even decided on the style to make, but I have like 4 in mind. So I'll just show you the one I wanted to make and the one I finally made.
Really?
Score?
Word is, head of the Senate Intelligence Committee is planning to read a classified document at a public hearing.
Okay, and you want me to tell him that he can't?
I want you to tell him that he's an engorged ball sack who should walk into an airplane propeller.
Yes, sir. You mean tell him that figuratively?
No, I don't. Listen to me carefully, Mr. Hendricks. If you fail to stop Senator Smoot from reading that document, you won't be working here tomorrow. Michael.
You're a dead man walking. Nyland thinks he can keep me in the dark on the agency's covert clusterfucks, but he's wrong! If I want to read a document, I'll read a document! I have a constitutional mandate to oversee the CIA, and I am going to exercise the hell out of it, starting by subpoenaing you. Now, I'm going back into my hearing.
Okay, add the dry the jar.
And I'm quoting this document.
Okay, this is not the hair cream.
Sir, that is completely your prerogative as you are head of the committee. But may I just remind you that revealing classified information is in violation of 18 U.S. Code Section 798 and will absolutely result in not only criminal sanctions, but potential reprimand and censure in the Senate. Also, that type of shit just looks really bad in a campaign video against you. So, if there's nothing else that I can help you with, I gotta get back to Langley. It was a pleasure meeting you.
How'd it go?
Pretty good. Thanks for your help.
Oh, hey, did you check out that new CIA swag?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get me one of those ski masks.
Yeah, those are pretty nice, right?
Mm-hmm. I don't need a ski.
No.
I just want to look like a bank robber.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. What?
Yeah, hi, this is my office.
We heard Nyland sent you to Capitol Hill.
Yeah, I didn't get to the Senate for 6 months. You get there on day 2?
Trust me, it wasn't a reward.
So what was the assignment?
Just advising on a classification.
Don't lie to us, Hendricks. I was a professional sneak. We know that you met with the head of Senate Intelligence.
Yeah, and I got my ass handed to me. It was straight up cannon fodder in the Nyland Smoot feud. The only reason the general counsel sent me was
Because the new guys get the shit work.
What the hell is this?
This is the crazies.
Nut jobs.
People trying to graymail the CIA.
Every letter is from someone threatening to expose classified information if we don't help them.
That's extortion.
And yet we get hundreds of them a year. Your job? Vet each one of those letters, see if the author can back up the threat.
How often does that happen?
It happens.
Yeah. Oh, and if the secrets they're threatening to reveal are bad, it's a nightmare to navigate.
There's a lot of coffee, man.
Can't afford to fall asleep.
Why, you got a brief?
A brief?
They can't
No,
pick
I work directly with SOG.
That's why he's telling you that
Sorry, who are they?
there's lots of
I'm
coffee.
struggling to keep all the acronyms straight around here.
Special Operations Group. Imagine if meth became sentient and was given weaponry. You know, I've been in this building for 3 straight days. But if I leave, those crazy fucks are gonna greenlight a covert op that I am single-handedly keeping them from executing.
They don't listen to their lawyer?
This place is an organization of con men, which makes us lawyers for cheats and liars who are actively trying to sabotage us. If you have any brains at all, you will get out before the ink dries on your paperwork, kid.
Thanks.
I've been unjustly imprisoned in Connecticut. I don't know how that ham ended up in my purse.
I know about the aliens. I worked for the agency in Cuba in 1963. It was a false flag operation.
Don't help me. I'll expose all I know about the JFK assassination.
My boyfriend is cheating on me. If you don't get him to stop, I'm gonna expose all the secret CIA prisons in Jersey.
My name is Max Melazzi. I'm in prison in Phoenix. Get me out or I will spill agency secrets on Selby Shore, P.W. Butcher, and more. You owe me.
Sleeping over.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
I need help.
Oh yeah, I neck a sweat for person, and another day me I neck a sweat for person. This go what you. Oh yeah. Shipping hungry my have. Are you serious? Oh wait, fan.
Is Owen okay?
Don't get though.
I'm not allowed to disclose that.
Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh shit.
Something else out. Okay. Thanks.
The pain for beauty is something
No,
else.
we're not fucking robbing a bank. Max.
You're right. Swiss banks and fortresses. Croatian banks are doable.
Like this.
What? I don't see you coming up with any
It's
ideas.
so hot.
Owen, where are you going?
Hey, what's up? Well, I guess Diamond really doesn't think I can finish the job. We were set as a
To
backside.
help you. Bullshit. Nobody sends lawyers to hell. You're here to blame Owen if this thing goes sideways, which it has.
Okay, that said, I'm gonna silver lining this shit by taking full advantage of your clandestine experience and overcoming the fuck out of this obstacle. Move over. We're getting in. CIA will do what's called exfiltration.
Terrence, he's not a spy, he's a lawyer. But even if he was one, you know he's allergic to asking for help.
So you want to fly the Geneva rescue?
Yeah.
It's been 2 years since you guys broke up.
It is not about that. Okay, you and I are the only people in the world who give a shit about him. If we don't look out for him, no one will. So get packed. I booked us 2 first-class tickets on the 6 a.m. Car's picking us up in 20 minutes.
I have work.
Yeah, in a windowless office that smells like sadness.
See who just got home. This is 10:35, and I just got home, and I'm feeling all pretty. This video is not doing justice at all to this beauty. Trust me when I say so. This hair is fine. Fine.